Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to install MetaTrader 5 application. So first of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner you'll see the option of search. Tap on it. Now go to the search bar on top and then simply search for MetaTrader 5 application. Now over here, tap on the application on top. From here, you'll see the option of install. Tap on it. Now just wait for some time until the app has been downloaded. This may take some time. So now with that, you can see that MetaTrader 5 application will successfully be downloaded on your mobile devices. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.